Hello, Leah. How are you doing?
Hello, Tato. I am quite stressed. Actually, I'm having issues with SARS. Can you help me to understand about using tax practitioners?
Sure, Leah. I am happy to help you to do the right thing.
Thank you, Tato. That's great, but I have heard that I don't have to use a registered tax practitioner to handle my taxes.
That is illegal and dangerous. You will be assisting in breaking the law and putting your tax matters at risk. That could result in you becoming non-compliant and then having to deal with SARS on your tax compliance.
What about the people who say they can help me file my tax return, and I only have to share my login credentials and pay them a fee for their services?
Remember, there is actually provision in the Tax Administration Act against this, so be careful that you are not the enabler for breaking the law. Rule 6 of the Electronic Communications Act says, taxpayers must never share their electronic usernames and passwords, including e-filing credentials, with anyone under any circumstances.
Please explain to me, what could be the risks using an unregistered person?
Remember, an unregistered person is acting outside the law and may not have enough or the correct knowledge of the tax laws, the SARS processes and systems to best serve you. We know that there are people who pretend to be tax practitioners but are not registered with a recognized controlling body in SARS. They can potentially mess up your tax affairs. Remember, SARS holds you as the taxpayer directly responsible for your tax affairs, including timeously filing of returns and accurate declarations. However, if you use a registered tax practitioner, SARS will be able to help you to deal with the person who filed incorrectly on your behalf.
Thank you, so please explain to me, how do I make sure I am using a registered tax practitioner?
Firstly, ask for their tax practitioner registration number. The number is issued by SARS after the person has registered with a recognized controlling body and with SARS. This is to make sure that you're using a registered tax practitioner.
Will you please explain to me, where can I validate the registration number?
It's easy. Go to the SARS website at sars.gov.za, then click on the Tax Practitioners tab. There you will see the link, Confirm Tax Practitioner Registration. Click on it and it will ask you to insert the tax practitioner number. It should start with PR, followed by 7 numbers. Follow the prompts and complete the security PIN, and click Search. You will then get a real-time response to tell you if the person is a registered tax practitioner or not.
Please explain to me, how and where do I report an unethical, unregistered individuals performing tax practitioners' functions?
You can report tax practitioners' unprofessional and unethical behavior at Reporting Unprofessional Conduct at sars.gov.za.
Thank you, Tato. I didn't realize that I could be breaking or enable someone to break the law, and I do understand the risks in using an unregistered person to complete and submit tax returns on my behalf. I will now make sure to check and use a registered tax practitioner.
It has been a pleasure to help you to do the right thing. SARS at your service.